Hi everyone, thank you you being here watching. Okay, this here's Achille Combat. Okay, and if you've been following our videos, I'm a big believer in human and economic development. Okay, sustainable human and economic development through principles. Okay, principle that we've been sharing. And by the way, stay till the end of this video. We have an announcement, okay, to make in regard to ways. Okay, we're going to keep sharing those principles, so that is not included in these long these long videos. Okay, so in the series of the 5 videos that we plan on doing as a refresher or as an update, okay, on our roadmap, just to look a little bit back from where we started and where we are today, right? This video will focus on the Testnet that started somewhere, I think in March 2020, somewhere, right? So, and two or three key things, okay, that were used, actually 3, okay, as a strategies during this Testnet. Because if you are familiar with software development, or you're a programmer, right, out there, you will know that building a software, required this phase of testing, right? Building a software required this phase where you go from the idea and whatever infrastructure is put in place to have people use it, okay? And this testnet took us almost more than a year, right? And the 3 big strategies that the core team have been actually following. First is to be able to transit, okay, through decentralization with the testnet, right? That's why we were able actually to reach right now 10,000 functional, okay, nodes, and 100,000 more actively, contributing, waiting to be able to be functional too, right? And the nodes are very important for any cryptocurrency, for validation of transaction. Okay, so the 3 strategies, then the first one was this transition, be able to transit, okay? And the second one is the development, or the infrastructure, putting in place the infrastructure for utilities, okay, utilities usage, because all the transaction with the vision to be a currency, an exchange currency for goods and services, right? All transactions need to go through applications, okay? And the third one here that I will mention is actually having still focusing on the growth of the members, right? The growth of the pioneers through the main app for mining, right? That's why we have a different app for mining and a different app for utilities and all that, which is called Pi Browser, okay? And those approach, or those strategies, 3, again, if you didn't watch the video on the beta, right, where we insisted on how it is important for you to observe very well how principles are used even in this collective project, right? Principles that we use with our clients to be able to build sustainable businesses. And we'll talk more about this. This is just an introduction, okay, to many things to come in our videos that will help you professionally, or even if you are a business owner, that you can use, okay? So this testnet, period was very important and been revealing, okay, to us, but it requires all of us to be very patient. Now, 5 milestones, 5 accomplishments, right? Again, principle of three main strategies were used during during the testnet, okay, with at this point where we are in December 2021, with 5 key accomplishments that we can share with you here. You may be watching this video after that, but it's relevant for you to be able to understand, okay, the 5 key accomplishments, okay, that I will share with you. In the roadmap update, I see 6, but honestly, for me personally, studying all this journey, I can just pinpoint 5 of them, okay? The first one, very very important, okay, that happen is the different versions of the Node software, okay. And I can tell you here how I can see or how challenging it has been for the programmers, because me being a candidate for the Node 2, I saw all the struggles and all the challenges that they overcome, okay. So that's a positive element, okay. The third big one now, not just that software were improved, where versions, okay, came out, we were able to build actually 10,000 nodes, functional nodes. And on top of the 10,000, 100,000 are daily actively contributing, okay, to the process of transitioning to the decentralization. Because yes, we call it DeFi, right? But right now, in a serious project, it takes a transition to go toward decentralization, which I love in this project because it helps us see the genesis of this currency, when in 10 years, 20 years, it will be all over the news. Because right now, all the work is actually sitting on servers. I think it's in California, right? Servers that are actually now not yet decentralized. It's only decentralized when all of us with Node and all the miners, okay, everything is happening now through our computers or our phones. Then is all out there and working. But right now, it's all centralized. So yeah, the transition toward the decentralization, I think with these 10,000 functional nodes and 100,000 still waiting, is a very big step, a very positive achievement, because even some big names in the cryptocurrency, they don't have that many nodes. And the nodes will help actually, will help the efficiency and the security, right, around all the around all the transactions that will be happening somewhere middle, maybe 2022. Okay. Now, the third element that I have here is the ecosystem infrastructure, okay, came more and more clear, right? We were able to test the wallet, right? We were able to see actually the Pi browser come up with many apps, right? Utility apps that will be used, okay? That's amazing, okay? For the ecosystem to start having that, you know, within the testnet, you know, that's just wonderful. You know, the wallet, you know, we all tested the wallet, right? We all tested, and I think even how to transfer is being tested right now during this testnet period too. Okay, so the other one that was amazing, the fourth key milestone, is the pilot's KYC. Okay, so the KYC is just crucial for any cryptocurrency, because you want to be able to identify everybody who's interacting in the blockchain. That's why the KYC is there. That's why it's called Know Your Customer. It's about identification, because we all going to be customer for each other. Remember how I compared this in a prior video to the bartering, right? Same thing here. Straight from you to me, straight from me to you. So the KYC pilot, you know, have selected some people to test, again, testnet, right? And please be patient, okay? Don't get in the panic mode, because all of us will have to actually go through the KYC. And the fifth one that I see that is very determinant, right, in our journey. You know, we reach more than over 30 million, okay, engaged, pioneers. Again, even if 10% or 50% of it is non-active through the mainnet, it's still 15 million. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. So I wanted just to share this with you, just update. If you didn't get the chance to read the update to the roadmap, hopefully this will help you. Now, here's the announcement. Because we've been talking about principle a lot, we can see question on more maybe detail or practice around principles. And we find out that TikTok may be the right place where we can share those very quick, right? So if you're still interested on knowing those basic principles, right, please feel free. I'm sure the link of TikTok will be put at the bottom. You can, join us there. And these are just principles that have helped me and helping even our clients. So you may be interested in trying, it will be your choice. So remember, all this journey started with one simple proverb. When you don't know where you're going, look back from where you came from. Your humanity has everything in already to help you keep creating and innovating. I will see you just in the next video.